Hey guys, this USB drive contains a fully offline AI workspace. And I'm not just talking about a local chatbot. This setup includes custom AI agents, deep research, local LLMs, and much more. You just plug it into almost any computer, run a single file, and your entire AI workspace is ready to go. Now, if you know PewDiePie, he actually built this. It's his open source AI workspace, and it's been blowing up in the AI community lately. But I took it further and made it fully portable, with local model support built right in. Just look at this. I run start.bat on Windows, and within a few seconds, Odysseus automatically opens in my browser. And check this out. My Wi-Fi is completely turned off, yet I can still chat with a fully capable AI model running locally on my machine. No internet connection, no cloud model, just local AI running right here on my computer. Now I plug the same USB into a Mac, run start.sh, and the exact same workspace opens up. Same models, same memory, same everything. And look, my chat history from Windows is right here too. I can just continue right where I left off. And not only Mac and Windows, this setup works on Linux too. So whether you're using Windows, Mac OS, or Linux, your entire AI workspace goes wherever you go. And by the way, a USB drive isn't required. I'm just using one to show how portable this setup is. You can run this setup directly inside a folder on your computer's local drive, and if you ever want to move it, just copy that folder to a USB drive, external SSD, or another machine. Everything comes with it. Also, a lot of work went into making this setup as simple as possible. So if you appreciate the effort, a quick subscribe would really mean a lot. Alright, setting up Odysseus Portable is incredibly simple. Just head over to the Odysseus Portable GitHub repository, click the green code button, and download the zip file. Once the download is complete, extract it any way you like. For this demo, I'll set it up on my Windows PC first, then move it to a USB drive later to show that it works exactly the same way. Once the files are extracted, you'll see multiple files and folders inside. But for now, you only need to focus on the startup script. If you're on Windows, run start.bat. If you're on Linux or Mac OS, run start.sh. And if you're curious what's inside these scripts, the entire project is open source, so feel free to inspect the code yourself. Now, as soon as you run start.bat or start.sh, the launcher takes care of everything automatically. It detects your hardware, downloads what it needs, and sets everything up for you. The first setup can take 8 to 10 minutes, and once it's done, Odysseus will automatically open in your browser. While Odysseus finishes setting itself up, here's a tool that can save you a lot of time. It's called UPDF, and it's today's sponsor. UPDF isn't just a standard PDF editor where you edit text or links. What makes it a must-have for tech enthusiasts is its crazy powerful, cloud-integrated AI assistant. It natively supports GPT-5. That means instead of wasting hours reading through a massive 200-page GitHub wiki, complex Python library documentation, or hardware setup guides on your PC, you can just dump the PDF into UPDF and let the AI summarize, explain, or translate the code logic in seconds. And forget about basic control plus F keyword matching. UPDF features AI semantic search. You just describe the concept or feature you're looking for, and it will find the exact section based on meaning, even if the exact word's on there. The best part? It's a true multi-device power tool. One account unlocks full premium access across Windows, Mac, iOS, and Android. So when you're transferring files or reading documentation on your phone while working on your Windows PC, your notes and AI chats sync seamlessly. Stop reading docs like it's 2010. Elevate your productivity workflow. Click the link in the description and the pinned comment below to grab UPDF with an exclusive discount today. Alright, the setup is done and Odysseus has automatically opened in my browser. To log in, use the default username admin and the default password techjarvis. Alright, we're inside Odysseus, but we don't have a model installed yet. To download one, click the cookbook button. Here you'll find a collection of recommended models based on your system specifications. Just make sure the engine is set to Llama, then pick any model you'd like. For this demo, I'll download Qwen 2.5 1.5 billion. Once the download is finished, we need to restart Odysseus so it can detect the new model. Simply close the terminal window to stop the server, then run the start file again. And there we go. Odysseus has successfully detected our Qwen model. Let's test it out. When you send your first message, the model needs to load into RAM or GPU memory, so the initial response may take a little longer depending on your hardware. And there we go. The report is ready. It's clean, easy to read, and nicely organized with all the important information in one place. You can explore the rest of Odysseus on your own. For now, let's move this setup to a USB drive. If you plan to use the setup across different operating systems, make sure your USB drive is formatted as exFAT. It works on Windows, macOS, and Linux. Once that's done, simply compress your current setup into a zip or 7Z archive. Let me quickly do that. Once it's finished, copy it to your USB drive, extract it, and your portable AI workspace is ready to use. Now I've plugged the same USB drive into a Mac and run the start.sh file. The first time you run it on macOS, it'll download a few required files. Once that's done, it automatically starts everything and opens Odysseus in your browser, just like it did on Windows. And there we go, Odysseus is open, and our Windows chat history is still here, and even our local model is ready to use. You'll also notice DeepSeek. That's an online model I connected earlier using an API key, so Odysseus supports both local and cloud models. Let's test our local Qwen model. The first response may take a few seconds since the model needs to load into memory. And there we go. It's working perfectly on macOS too, with an impressive 60 tokens per second. Same setup, same chats, and same models. Now, the same setup works on Linux too. I quickly plugged the same USB drive into a Linux machine and ran start.sh. And there we go. Odysseus is running on Linux as well. As you can see, all of our chats are still here. And it's not just the chats. Even the deep research report we created earlier on Windows is right here too. So yeah, same USB, same workspace, and same data across Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. So that is Odysseus Portable, a complete offline AI workspace with local model and AI agents. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps the channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.